In this tutorial, you will learn how to make withdrawals. This would involve a receiving address to which you would be sending your EDCOIN. Withdrawals. To protect your balance and ensure that your withdrawal is safe and successful, please note that email authentication is required for withdrawals of up to 500 EDCOIN. For withdrawals of 501 EDCOIN and above, Google Authentication or Google Two-Factor Authentication is required. Please take note of the minimum withdrawal limit and the maximum withdrawal limit. At the time of this recording, the minimum withdrawal is 100 EDCOIN and the maximum daily withdrawal is 10,000 EDCOIN. This may vary from time to time. Please double-check the address that you intend to transfer your EDCOIN to is correct. Entering a wrong address can result in the permanent loss of your EDCOIN. EDCOIN is an ERC20 token. Please ensure that you are entering an ERC20 or Ethereum address. Entering a non-ERC20 or non-Ethereum address can result in the permanent loss of your EDCOIN. Please take note of the current withdrawal fee. This is a transaction fee or cost to process a withdrawal, which will be adjusted to reflect on-chain Ethereum fees. For example, if you are withdrawing 1000 EDCOIN and the current withdrawal fee is 5 EDCOIN, the receiving address will receive 1000 EDCOIN minus 5 EDCOIN, the total of which is 995 EDCOIN. Withdrawals. In your dashboard, click on Withdrawal. Check your available balance. Click on Withdraw Money to start a withdrawal. Enter the amount of EDCOIN you wish to withdraw. Please take note of the minimum withdrawal allowed. Enter the wallet address, which is the destination you wish to send your EDCOIN to. Please double check to ensure that you have pasted or entered the correct address. Entering a wrong address can result in the permanent loss of your EDCOIN. Please ensure that you are entering an ERC20 or Ethereum address. Entering a non-ERC20 or non-Ethereum address can result in the permanent loss of your EDCOIN. Proceed with your enabled authentication. This could be either email authentication or Google Authentication app. Copy the authentication code from your email inbox. Please check your spam folder or Google Authentication app within the time limit. Paste the authentication code. Click on Submit to proceed with your withdrawal. Your withdrawal transaction will be processed. The date and time and reference number will appear after your withdrawal is processed. You can monitor the transaction status under Latest Transactions or in the withdrawal log. Master EDCOIN Wallet. Let's build forward together.